the most spiritual countries of the world. We Indians know, and so does the rest of the world, that our country is an extremely religious one, where a multitude of religions are practiced. The major ones being Hinduism, Islam, Sikhism, Zoroastrianism, Buddhism, Christianity, and Judaism. But how about the rest of the world? Let's find out which countries are among the most religious and spiritual in the world. Ghana. According to a survey done by a leading website, Ghana is the most religious, with 96% of its people following the Roman Catholic Church under the spiritual leadership of the Pope based in Rome. Nigeria is another African country that is 93% religious, with 50% of the people following Islam and the remaining comprising Christians and other traditional religions. Muslims in Nigeria are predominantly Sunni, following the Maliki school, which also governs Sharia law. But there is also a significant Shia minority in the country. Armenia has a share of 92% faithful, while most people follow Christianity, with Armenia having its own church, the Armenian Apostolic Church. The largest religious minority is Armenian Catholicism. Non-Christian religions such as Yazidism and Islam are followed by few. Fiji is 92% religious, with most people following the Roman Catholic strain of Christianity. Prior to the introduction of Christianity, Fijians followed a kind of shamanism, a tradition that utilized various forms of divinity in every aspect of life. Macedonia. This country is 90% religious, comprising Roman Catholic, Orthodox Church, and Islam. Only recently have the people begun practicing their faith in public, their country having been beset with clashes. Of course, peace is necessary for the practice of faith. Romania. As many as 89% of Romanians are Christians. The majority follow the Orthodox Church, while others follow the Catholic Church. In Kenya, 88% of its people are religious. African country Kenya and Japanese Shinto-yen Buddhism seem like an incongruous mix. But surprisingly, Zen Buddhism is taking root in this coastal African nation. Peru. About 86% of Peruvians are Catholic. The Catholic Church in Peru is part of the worldwide Catholic Church under the spiritual leadership of the Pope, the Curia in Rome, and the Peruvian Episcopal Conference. Peru has even given birth to two famous saints of the New World, Saint Rose of Lima and Saint Martin de Porres. Brazil. Brazil is 85% religious, with Roman Catholicism the largest denomination, with 123 million people self-declared Catholics. This figure makes Brazil a country with the largest Roman Catholic community in the world.